This weekend, we have built an inexpensive heart monitoring system to keep track of one's health. But before we jump into discussing about our final prototype, as you can see here, this is the final prototype, we would like to show you what we built first and then gradually how we modified it. This is our first prototype, and this is what we started working with. It didn't have a LCD display and it required some more filtration. Here, the data that we will input using the photodiode and IR LED right there, when I place my finger, will be processed through the code, and as you can see, it is portrayed in the serial monitor that is showing on the screen of my laptop. You can see the graphs of the heart rate going up and down. This is the first stage of the code where we have done very minor filtration, but further when we have imposed better filtration, we will show you the results, how it came out. As you can see here, the heart display is of the pulse is better here in this serial monitor. This video will show us the BPM, that is beats per minute. This BPM gets calculated from the reading recorded from the user and shown previously in the graphical format. The peaks of the pulse get detected and the microcontroller measures the transit time from one peak to another. By that way, at first, we measured the frequency, and then by multiplying it with 60, we get the raw beats per minute data. By averaging 10 samples, the output here is shown in the right side of the monitor being displayed, and the left readings are sampled by measuring how many beats are there in 10 seconds, and then multiplying it with 6, we get the estimated BPM. Finally, we can see that both the readings are more or less same and accurate.
For a better user interface and a standalone application, we have installed an 16:2 LCD here and changed the Arduino with an 328P microcontroller, which is right here. And the remaining here is the IR sensor that's gonna sense your pulse. With that, here on the LCD we can see that there are two parameters, like here is one conf, which is the confidence level, and here is the BPM, which is the beats per minute level. Beats per minute, it's basically says your heart rate, which is in minutes, and the parameter that conf refers to is basically the confidence of the reading it's showing you on the LCD. That is whether you placed your finger correctly or not, and is it getting the data from the sensor correctly or not. It says as a confidence percentage. So the higher the percentage, that means it's getting your data more accurately. So let's see. I'm gonna restart this. Here, yeah. So it's EIR. We do. You need to place your finger. Right? So here, I'm gonna place my finger gently, and the heart start beating. Like it's showing you that it's counting, and the confidence level is pretty high right now. So that means we are getting some accurate results. Let's wait for the average. Yeah, so the average changed to 87.990 beats per minute. See, it's again 89.12. So you can say we are getting correct, almost correct results, and my heart rate is pretty like that value, like 88 or in 90. It varies from 88 to 90. So yeah, we can say that it's working correctly, let's say accurately. So yeah. As soon as I remove the finger, the heart here stops beating. That means there's no interface right now. And the confidence level has fallen to like 17.61%, and the it stopped taking the results. So yeah, thank you.